Hi, welcome to BlindOwl Outdoors. We hope you enjoy our channel, and if possible, could you please join our Patreon page? We really need your help. It's been a long, hard road. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to BlindOwl Outdoors. We're up in the mountains in a valley, and we're picking rice, harvesting rice, and we're a little late. They've already got all the main stuff cut in little bundles, and it's been a good year. You can see they even have water flowing through the rice field right now, so it makes for a good crop. And there's Perry and Joe. Oh, you still cutting this here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We'll watch that for a second. Get in there with a little curved knife and just slice the heck out of it and stack it up in bundles. You have to be gentle so you don't knock the seed pods off. But how long did it take to cut all these other fields? Since early morning or what?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock, and it's almost noon, so 6 hours to harvest all these fields in this valley. I don't know how far down it goes that way, but it looks like a ways. What we really came up was to see the thresher. They saved this little section so they could film them. That's pretty cool. Everything here is back-breaking labor, all bent over at an angle. I've helped plant rice before. It's pretty tough. I've never harvested it, but yeah, they're pretty quick, aren't they?
They do that and slow.
They don't fool around. And Marife came down with me. Marife wants to run the thresher.
Yes, I will try.
And I don't know if you guys recognize Perry and Joe here. They're the ones that were trying to do that well project that's getting flooded. And they carry that all up here into a pile, and then they're going to run the thresher. And this is a foot-powered thresher, which most people use here. Now, is this a rental, or is this someone in your family owns this? Rental, yeah. That's what most of the people have to rent it. There's a few people that own their own machine, but. Okay, here's how you start this thresher up. Give it a spin. And then it just gets pumped. Look at that, just pumped by the foot. Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you just push the rice tops in there. Isn't that cool? Look at that. And the seeds just come flying off. That's incredible. How was the harvest today? Pretty good? Look, medium? Yeah. It was really dry in the first half of the growing season, so August we had no rain at all. That's what everybody else is saying. It's kind of a weak harvest this time. Look at that. Isn't that just cool? Kind of a neat machine. Really spins that wheel too. I know you know. I've done it. I did it when at your dad's fields before. That's pretty cool. And this is the other side of the machine. And the rice just comes down from the bottom. Then they'll clean all the grass out of there, kind of like Marife's doing. And then they'll throw the rice up in the air in the wind to get as many husks off as they can. And then they'll take this all this rice here and dry it in the sun. How long do you dry in the sun? How long?
3 days.
3 days in the sun, if you have good sun.
Oh.
And then you take the rice in to be milled. Nice. That's pretty cool, huh? Simple machine, but it works very well. And the beauty of it is there's no gasoline, no diesel fuel, just foot power. Alright. And this is the tray here. They'll put the rice kernels in that, and they'll throw them up in the air in the wind, and let the wind blow all the chaff away. So, yeah, quite a system. Oh, Joe's running it now.
Yeah. Next, I'm gonna try it, Dad.
Just be careful you don't get your hand in there, hon. Real careful. Marife, she wants to give it a try. She's giving it a try.
Yay!
There you go. Just watch your fingers. You don't have the speed she has. Where's your pumping? There you go. Just be extra careful, okay? We're a long ways from a hospital. Now if you look way up over there, that mound of coconut trees, on the other side of that, that's where Terrence lives at, where there's bridge and stuff. She's got a little better rhythm than you do. You're pumping with your left foot though, you should pump with your right foot. Your right foot's your better one. Nice though. They just keep taking turns so everybody's leg gets a little tired. It's time for the next person. Make sure you shake out the grass good so you don't lose any rice. And now, here's a question for you. Translate this, huh? How many sacks do you estimate for your whole fields?
I think 4 sacks or 3.
4 sacks, okay, good. And then they have to take this rice probably 10 or 12 miles to get it milled. They have a 2-mile walk with their carabao to get to just to get to the road, and then about 12 or 13 kilometers, so that'd be about 8 miles, I guess, to the rice mill, to the nearest one. How long? Now you have to split this rice with other family too? Papa gets some in that, and brothers too, or just you guys?
They will split in the parents.
With Perry's parents?
Yes.
But not all the brothers and everything?
No.
That's good. 50-50?
Yeah.
Half, huh?
Half.
Okay.
Okay, palit na.
Very nice. Perry's checking the wind. Wind's coming this way. He's gonna get rid of some of the chaff.
Yes, we will whistle to call the air.
Oh, you're calling the air?
Oh. Yeah.
Okay.
Woohoo! Yeah, like that. This is a good rice.
Right, that's all clean, right?
This is true rice.
That you're not going to redo that? Why? Kind of green? Not quite ripe. Okay. I like the whistle though. They're whistling for the wind. I like that. And it's actually blowing too. That's kind of what's funny.
Yan. Mana siya finish product. Finished product dahil sa...
And then right there in the center, that's the finished product. And then they'll take that home later, and then they'll dry that up in their yard, up in the compound up there. Very interesting. How many years have you guys been married?
14 years.
14 years, longer than 1 year longer than Marife and me.
Yes. And October 14, this is my 14th anniversary.
Oh, right now. Oh. Well, I'm glad we brought this camera. We wouldn't be able to hear all the whistling stuff with the other camera. That's good. That's.
Dapat sa ako nan? Spend their anniversary in the rice field.
Oh, that's a good place. Are they celebrating in the rice fields too, or what? Or just working?
Working.
Oh, okay. I'd be celebrating down there, I think, just for the fun of it.
Thanks for watching. Take care.